In this video, we are going to do these two questions, which is based on Heron's formula, right? And where S stands for the semi-perimeter, that is half the perimeter, and A is what the formula for calculating the area. So let's begin with the first. And moreover, you should also note that the area of an equilateral triangle is what? That is root 3 over 4a squared. So let's begin with the first question. In this question from the chapter Heron's formula, we are given the area of the triangle as 150 centimeter square, and the ratio of their sides are given as 3 is to 4 is to 5. What we have to find out is the perimeter. So what we know, first of all, we know its ratio of the sides. So we can say that, let's say that sides being 3x, 4x and 5x. Clearly we can find the perimeter if we know its area. So for that, we are going to use the Heron's formula for finding. First, I am going to find the semi-perimeter, which is what? In terms of x, is going to be 3x plus 4x plus 5x, that whole divided by 2. So this is how much? 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12x divided by 2, that is 6x. Now after that, I'm going to find the area. Although we know the area, will be equating that. So let's say if I find the area, the formula over here is what? This is S, which is 6x bracket S minus A. That is 6x minus 3x. Let's write it down and then we will simplify. 6x minus 3. Then what? S minus B. So 6x minus 4. And finally it is 6x minus 5x. Check what we are getting over here. After simplification, this is 6x. 6x minus 3x is 3x, and this is 2x. 6x minus x is what we got here. Now, then we can find the under root of this. So for that, check here. We have a as you can see, x is how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So this is x power 4. Outside is going to be x squared. And if I look into the other numbers, like this is 6, I can write 3 into 2. We have 1, 3 here, and this 2 over here. So you can see that this is square root of 9 is 3 and that of 4 is 2. So 9, right? This is under root 36, which is 6 only. So we got 6x square as the area. Now, once we got the area over here, and we know the area of the triangle. And what's the area of the triangle mentioned? We know the area of the triangle as, this is 150 is the area. So from here, I can say that the area, which we got as 6x squared, can be equated with this 150. So if I equate this with 150, what do we get here? Let's check. This is 150. So I can divide this, right? This is divisible by how much? 25 times. So x squared is 25. X being a positive number has to be 5 only. So once we got this as x, we can find the perimeter and check here. The perimeter is what? The sum of the three sides of a triangle. So this is, we have already calculated the perimeter earlier also. This is 12x, right? The sum is 12x, and this is 12 times x, and x we have obtained as 5. So that results to give you how much? 60. This unit is centimeter, so it should be 60 centimeter. That is option D is correct in this case. Now in this question, it says the height of an equilateral triangle is 6 centimeter, then the area of the triangle. So we are going to use this relation over here. What we know about an equilateral triangle, that its all sides are equal. And let's say if I draw one of its altitude, well, all altitudes are equal. They are all equal. So I'll just draw one of them. So what you should know that, say, height, h being the height and a being the sides of the triangle, we have a relation to find its height. Now, what do we know over here? Look into this. We over here know the height, right? This is what given to us, that height of an equilateral triangle is 6 centimeter. So we can say that if I know h as 6 centimeter and using this relation, that is height of an equilateral triangle, right? Height of an equilateral triangle is what? Root 3 over 2 times of its side. Well, a is the side. Replacing h with 6, this is 6 is equal to root 3 by 2a. So by cross multiplication, it is a as 12 over root 3 centimeter. Now, once we get the what we got as the side of an equilateral triangle, so now we can find its area. And for finding the area, we are going to use this relation as the area of an equilateral triangle is what? It is root 3 over 4 times a square. All right, so this is root 3 over 4 as a constant, and a is this. So a is what? This is 12 over root 3 into 12 over root 3, the square of this. So we can figure out that here 1 root 3 get cancelled, 4 is, yeah, 12, yeah, 4 3 times is 12, right? So therefore we got area as how much? Are we doing anything wrong over here? This is 12 only, root 3, right? This is 36. What we are going to getting is 36 root 3, right? This is 36 root 3, which we can even rationalize it. So that is 36 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is what? 3. So check here. This 3 and 36 can be divided. So that comes out to be 12 root 3 centimeter square. Do we have an answer? Yes, 12 root 3. That's C is the correct option in this case.